right, we have our luggage ready, and then these are all of the items that I'm gonna be carrying with me. This is my camera bag, and I also have like just other stuff that I'm gonna need, and yeah, like chargers, all that stuff. This has my passport and other personal items, and then this is my new like water bottle holder, and in there I just have like my phone charger and like some toiletry items, because since I'm about to be on a plane for over a day, I need to like have some stuff so I could like take care of my face a little bit. So hey amigues, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Emily, and today we're going to Bali. I'm so excited. I'm taking an Uber to my brother's, and then he's gonna be dropping me off. I just need to get some food, and traffic, LA traffic is just, I don't get used to it. It usually takes like less than half an hour to get to my brother's, and it's showing a little bit over an hour, so I have to go like right now. So yeah, come with me on this journey. I'm so excited. We're going back to Bali. It's been years since I've been, and I'm super excited. I don't think it's really hit me yet, but yeah, come along. I'm so excited to share the entire trip with you guys. You're in it, okay? Yeah, most of the day. I probably have it.
You good?
Yeah. Hey guys, so we made it to, oh my gosh, anyways, we are currently in, and by we I mean me and you guys, currently in Singapore airport, and we stopped in Tokyo for a little bit, but it was literally just for an hour, so I just like got up and like walked around and got something from the vending machine, which was pretty fun. But yeah, right now I'm just waiting. I have to wait basically like 5 hours for my next flight, so I'm just gonna chill here and charge my phone. Flight to Bali is only like 2 hours, so just wanted to give you guys a little heads up. My face is so bad right now because of the mask. I'm excited. It like finally, I'm excited to just get there. Like I said, it's only gonna be, flight is only like 2 hours. Once I'm there, I'm good. But yeah, I just wanted to check in, and I will see you guys in Bali. Hi. Okay, great. This is so pretty. Okay, great. Thank you. Oh, this is so beautiful.
You can relax there.
Oh yeah.
While you're having your afternoon tea or breakfast tomorrow.
That's what I need. Wow. Oh my gosh, how cute. Look at these beds. Ooh, open it up, girl. No? Oh! Wow! Oh wow, little bed. Wow, look at this view though. Look at the coconuts! You guys, we are officially in Bali. I'm so happy to bring you along on this trip with me. I showed you the hotel room a little bit. It's so good. I'm so excited. Look at this view. My roommate for the trip is actually down at the pool right now, so I'm gonna go meet up with her and hopefully the other girls, and I'm just so excited to share with you guys more Bali. The last time I went, I was not like an influencer or like did all this social media, so I'm excited to finally have a trip where I can show you guys literally how much I love Bali. Just being here, I feel so good. I feel so much better. And I'm just excited to explore and share with you guys. So let's go walk around the hotel a little bit. I definitely want to show you guys how pretty it is. It's seriously so good. Let me see. Okay, I think I liked it. But anyways, let's head out. I'm just gonna grab my bag with a few things, and then we're good to go. Let's go explore. Oh my gosh, wow. Yay! Got a little iced coffee with some little pastry. Oh wait, is that like Jello?
It looks like Jello.
That looks good. Did you want the sugar? So I just got done at the pool and I wanted to walk around the hotel a little bit and look at what I found over here. It looks like a little library. How cute is this? Some books, some seating, cute little lily pad, and a swing right there. And they have the rice fields. These are really cute. Well, it looks like a tree house. Hopefully I don't fall. So all of this is rice, you guys. Look at this fiddle leaf like, oh my gosh, is that a fiddle? No, that's definitely a ficus. Good morning from Bali. Look at this view. Gonna move over to a little table, gonna do my makeup here and get ready for the day. Today we are going to do a little hike to a waterfall. Can't remember the name, I'll tell you guys later. And then we're gonna go to the famous Bali swing and these little nest things like around the swing to take some pictures. And yeah, just come along with us. I'm super excited. Now it's time to get ready. Everything, and I think that goes like here at breakfast with the girls. Say hey. Hey. Still waiting for a few to get here, or not a few. We're just waiting for Lisa. Okay, we're waiting for Lisa, and then I think in a few minutes we'll be heading out to the waterfall. I know. We're all matching. Yeah. Twins. Twinning. I'm not in the phone. Yeah. No? Oh, yeah. Wow. Yeah.
So we use jackwood, then stickwood. More popular jack.
Living for this sun. Say hey for the vlog. We just got done with lunch and we're on our way to the famous Bali swing. Oh, there it is. I will be swinging off of this swing, you guys.
The process is men go through.
Let your body flip.
Yep.
Now lean back always on the side. Hold the all rope. Are you ready?
Ready!
Ready!
Put it under. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, they're gonna harness you like. What are you wearing under the dress? Underwear?
Yeah,
Oh, nothing.
Should I grab my shorts?
Yeah, or you want to take the shorts that are off me? Here.
Is that weird?
No, this camera's recording the whole audio.
I know, like.
Outfit change.
Tuh bang.
Ya.
Huh?
Isn't it so pretty?
Ya, please ya. Gua beli mandi aja, coba please.
Okay. Ah, there. Perfect.
Good.
Good. Yeah.
What are you doing?
Is it recording? Oh, nice.
I never turned it off. It's been recording this entire time.
Here now.
Keep straight like that. Don't move forward. Don't try to put down your leg. Okay? Are you ready?
Yes.
Alright. 3, go!
It's just like a beat on steel. Correct me if I'm wrong.